Hi everyone, this is Jezza D Baguio. For today's video, we will discuss on how to get the determinant of 4x4 matrix. So here, let A 104 negative 6 2 3 0 5 negative 2 1 4 5 2 1 negative 3 and 4. So first, we will eliminate the first row and the first column. So negative 1, 1 plus 1. Why 1 plus 1? Because we first eliminate this one, the first row and the first column. So the remaining numbers are 3, 0, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, negative 3, and 4. So as you can see, nahimo siyang 3x3 matrix, di ba? So first, atong buhaton is to get the determinants of this matrix. So we will use the basket style. So 3 times 4 times 4 plus 0 times 5 times 1 plus 5 times negative 3 times 1. So here, minus 1 times 4 times 5. Ato na sulat dire. Times, minus 1 times 0 times 4 minus 3 times 5 times negative 3. So, kani siya. So, ato silang i-simplify. So, 3 times 4 times 4 is equals to 48. 0 times 5 times 1 is equals to 0. 5 times negative 3 times 1 is equals to negative 15. 1 times 4 times 5 is equals to 20. 1 times 0 times 4 is equals to 0. 3 times 5 times negative 3 is equals to negative 45. So, 48 plus 0 plus negative 15 minus 20 minus 0 minus negative 45 is equals to 58. So, 58 is the determinant for this matrix. Pero atong goal here is to get the determinant of this. So, in order to get the determinant of this, we will use this one. So, 1. Why 1? Because 1 ang ga-intersect dire. So, 1. Negative 1 to the power of 2, because 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, times the determinant of this, which is the 58. So, negative 1 to the power of 2 is equals to 1, times 58 is equals to 58. So, 1 times 58 is equals to 58. So, 58 is the determinant for this. Next. So, now, we will eliminate the first row and the second column. So, negative 1 to the power of 1 plus 2. So, ang nahibili na numbers are 2, 0, 5, negative 2, 4, 5, 2, negative 3, and 4. So, para sa Japon, 3x3 matrix Japon. So, all we need to do is to get the determinants of this matrix. So, 2 times 4 times 4 plus 0 times 5 times 2 plus 5 times negative 3 times 2 minus 2 times 4 times 5 negative 2 times 0 times 4 minus 2 times 5 times negative 3. So, atong gisulat na siya dire. So, atos lang i-simplify. So, 2 times 4 times 4 is equals to 32 plus 0 times 5 times 2 is equals to 0 plus 5 times 3 times 2 is equal times negative 2 is equals to 30 minus 2 times 4 times 5 is equals to 40 minus negative 2 times 0 times 4 is equals to 0 minus 2 times 5 times negative 3 is equals to negative 30. So, 32 plus 0 plus 30 minus 40 minus 0 minus negative 30 is equals to 52. So, 52 is the determinant for this. So, in order to get the determinants for this, so we will use this one. So, 0. Why 0? Because 0 ang ga-intersect dire. So, negative 1 to the power of 3 times the determinant for this, which is the 52. So, negative 1 to the power of 3 is equals to negative 1. Times 52 is equals to negative 52. So, 0 times negative 52 is equals to 0. So, 0 is the determinant for this. This time, we will eliminate the first row and the third column. So negative 1 to the power of 1 plus 3. So the left numbers are 2, 3, 5, negative 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, and 4. So as you can see, 3 by 3 matrix Japon siya. So in order to get the determinant for this matrix, we will use the basket style. So 2 times 1 times 4 plus 3 times 5 times 2 plus 5 times 1 times negative 2 minus 2 times 1 times 5 minus 2 times negative 2 times 3 times 4 minus 2 times 5 times 1. So mo ni siya. Gisulat na ako. So kani sila ato na i-simplify. So 2 times 1 times 4 is equals to 8 plus 3 times 5 times 2 is equals to 30 plus 5 times 1 times negative 2 is equals to negative 10 minus 2 times 1 times 5 is equals to 10 minus 2 times 3 times negative 2 times 3 times 4 is equals to negative 24 minus 2 times 5 times 1 is equals to 10. So ato siyang i-equal, i-solve. So 8 plus 30 plus negative 10 minus 10 minus negative 24 minus 10 is equals to 32. So 32 is the determinant for this. So in order to get the determinant kani, we will use this one. So 4y4 because 4 ang ga-intercept dire. So negative 1 to the power of 4 times the determinant for this, which is the 32. So negative 1 to the power of 4 is equal to positive 1 times 32 is equals to 32. So 4 times 32 is equals to 128. So 128 is the determinant for this. So next. So this time, we will eliminate the first row and the fourth column. So negative 1 to the power of 1 plus 4. So ang nahilbili na numbers are 2, 3, 0, negative 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, negative 3. So same process ra Japon. Kuhaon Japon nato ang determinant sa 3 by 3 matrix. So 2 times 1 times negative 3 plus 3 times 4 times 2, 0 times 1 times negative 2 minus 2 times 1 times 0 minus negative 2 times 3 times negative 3 2 times 4 times 1. So ato mo na siya. Ito gisulat. So ato silang i-simplify. So 2 times 1 times negative 3 is equals to negative 6 plus 3 times 4 times 2 is equals to positive 24 plus 0 plus 1 0 times 1 times negative 2 is equals to 0 minus 2 times 1 times 0 is equals to 0 minus negative 2 times 3 times negative 3 is equals to 18 minus 2 times 4 times 1 is equals to 8. So negative 6 plus 24 plus 0 minus 18 minus 8 is equals to negative 8. So negative 8 is the determinant for this. So in order to get the determinants for this, we will use this one. So negative 6, why negative 6? Is because ga-intersect siya, ang ga-intersect nila dire. So negative 1 to the power of 5 times negative 8 is equals to positive 8. So negative 6 times negative 6 times 8 is equals to negative 48. So negative 48 is the determinant for this. So in order to get the determinants for this, kaning determinant ani, ato silang ipang-add. Kaning determinant ani, determinant ani, determinant ani, determinant ani. So 58 plus 0 plus 128 minus 48 is equals to 138. So 138 is the determinant for this.